Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another interesting story for you all. So let's start. Have you ever played a joke on someone just for fun? Yes, it may be funny sometimes, right? But what if you play the same joke again and again on repeat on people? Will they believe you that you are saying the truth? No, right? And if you have faced a real trouble, will the people come and save you? No, because you are telling the lie. No one will believe you. So today's story is about a boy who was shouting "Wolf! Wolf!" even when there's no wolf. You think people believe him? No. So listen carefully to find out what happened when a real wolf came one day. You think anyone would help him? No. Let's find out your story. The name of the story is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Let's start. Once upon a time, a boy was looking after the sheep. He took his sheep out for a walk, and one day he got very bored by doing this. So he decided to do something interesting. And you know what that boy did? The boy started shouting, "Wolf! Wolf!" even when there's no wolf. The wolf had not come. So people got scared, and the people came and uh, was wanted to help him. But when the people came, they saw there was no wolf, and the boy started laughing. Ha ha ha! I was joking. The people got very angry. You should know, you should not lie. Why are you doing this? We got so scared. But the boy didn't listen. The boy again shouted, "Wolf! Wolf!" Villagers again trusted him, and they came and saw. But same thing happened. There was no wolf. Again the villagers people started explaining him that you should not do this. But the boy didn't listen. One day, the when the boy was taking his sheep for a walk, he again decided to do the same thing. But a real wolf had come, and the boy again shouted for help, "Wolf! Wolf!" But the people didn't listen to him. The people didn't believe him that he is in real trouble. The people didn't came to help. The boy got scared. Oh my God! No one is coming to help me because the people are not believing me because I had done the same thing again. Then the wolf ate all the sheep, and the boy realized that I should have not done this mischief with the people, because lying the when we lie, no one trusts us. So the boy got a good lesson that I should not lie, but so that the will people will not trust me. So even if you're telling the truth, nobody will come and save you, will trust you, because lying destroys trust. If you're lying continuously, no one will believe you, and you will not be able to regain the trust. You can't uh, people will not trust you if you're lying. So you should always speak. I hope you have learned something from this story. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more interesting stories. See you next time. Bye.